Well, good afternoon and welcome to Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we are going to look at one of the most pristine 61 Impala convertibles we have ever seen. This is a complete and total restoration, every nut, bolt, screw, and washer, and wait till I show you all the features this car has. Well, good afternoon. Welcome to Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. In our front showroom, we have probably one of the nicest 61 Impala convertibles we've ever run into. This is a body-off, total nut bolt restoration. Whoever ordered this car in 1961, they knew what they were doing. Not only did they order probably one of the most popular colors, but they also ordered what we would call one of the biggest optional motors you could have other than the 409. This is actually a 348 tri-power with power steering and power brakes. Also, just because, even in this day and age, wherever this car ends up, vintage air conditioning makes it absolutely a wonderful addition for any car. Look at, like I said, the quality of this car is unsurpassed. Beautifully straight body lines. All the chrome has been redone. Even has the day bar, the smaller ones, the bumper accessory guards here in the front. 61 was an all-new body style for Chevrolet. For the last number of years, Chevrolet was doing that with most of their stuff. This one, like I said, whoever ordered this car probably went to the dealership and said, I want all the bells and whistles. Well, not only did they order the dual outside chrome mirrors, dual antennas, take a look at the inside. They actually ordered powered windows with this car. Of course, they all came with power tops at that time, and again, they did a very nice job of installing the vintage air conditioning. Beautiful, correct interior, correct materials. Dash pad is just nice. The trim, chrome. And like we say, this is probably one of the nicest cars that we have on our sales room floor at this particular moment. We do have over 100 cars in most times that you can come take a look at here in Rogers. It's an indoor showroom, heated. Even though we're in Minnesota, it's worth coming to take a look at many of these cars. But this one is probably, like I said, was done to the highest level. The underside, please visit the website because we have underside pictures as well. You can visit us at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, and I believe we are on a YouTube channel as well. So give us a like and see if this is the car that you would love to have sitting in your garage. You can reminisce of having one of the sharpest cars that came from 1961. Give us a visit. We're here Monday through Saturday, 10 until 5. Give me a call.